Thank you, Senior Airman Pipkin. Next, we envision several outcomes to choose from. Everyone in the shop will start to show up late. Troops will start to leave early too. Bitterness between troops who show up late and the ones who show up on time begin to unravel. The ones who show up on time begin to feel unappreciated, and the ones that don't show up on time take advantage of their NCOs. A loss of trust also happens, where the NCO will not take accountability for their troops, and that causes conflict just the same. We have to look at the big picture, find unique paths and new solutions. If all troops show up on time for a month, troops get extra PT, which in addition helps them on their PT test. When we hold everyone to the same standard, it creates a good teamwork and partnership in the shop. We stick with 3 strikes, maintain all discipline for all troops. This also carries a good moral standard for the shop. We need to also take part by using historical data. They aim for solutions based on similar situations. Negative patterns start to form due to lack of structure in the workplace, wherein some troops it's acceptable to be late, and to most troops it's not acceptable. For instance, when we talked about Senior Airman Snuffy, who was showing up late all the time and was always getting in trouble. And then you had Senior Airman Sally, who showed up too tardies and she got in trouble. This way, fairness and accountability needed to be met. The exceptions of the mission while maintaining moral and positive environment needed to happen in this situation, which did not. So what we need to develop is a detailed plan to implement the best alternatives. 3 strikes and you are out. Your first warning, you make up the time of your tardiness, and you need to do an extra duty for that day, which is clean the office, assist in outside cleaning, what have you. The second warning, no PT for the week, and you must make up the tardy again. The third warning is the LOC, Letter of Counseling. In conclusion, accountability is key. Holding all NCOs and all airmen to the same standards is a good and fair way to hold your shop to a higher standard of excellence and integrity. We must continue on with keeping airmen accountable and making sure NCOs do the same. Thank you.